get that right. And I'm like, how dumb are you? This is English speaking.
So I'm accepted, alright?
Yeah, no, you're fine. Yeah. You've got the fact that you can speak more than how many languages do you speak?
Okay.
Three. So you speak more than 3 languages, and half the English people can't even speak one. I can speak one.
Yay! You will, study it and then
I
you made
need
it
to,
at least the right communication.
need to carry on with Russian lessons. Learn some Russian.
If you approach a Filipino and you're just gonna say malaki ang titi mo, you're already starting a conversation, see? Malaki ang titi mo, Jim. And then Jim will reply you with a smile. So you're already making a...
That's probably not a good thing to say. I think someone's already told me this in the past.
You should show your face so that...
What was he making me say? Something like, what, do I have a small dick or something like that?
Nah, Jim is have a big dick.
Nah, but... See, I didn't hear the word Jim in there. It was, what was it? Malaki. Hey!
Here it You said, malaki ang titi mo. Patrick, malaki ang titi mo.
Patrick, no.
Patrick, malaki ang titi mo.
Patrick, malaki ang titi mo.
Malaki ang titi mo.
Malaki ang.
Malaki ang titi mo.
You already started the conversation then.
So, magandang umaga. Patrick, malaki ang titi mo.
Yeah, that's right. In the morning,
Especially in the morning.
Yes.
You will say that in the morning.
Hey Patrick, good morning. Malaki ang titi mo.
I want to know what dirty sentence it means. So, what does it actually mean?
Which?
That malaki ang titi mo. Sir?
Big.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because somebody, I think Bailey said that to me before. Like, he's like, go up to that person and say malaki ang titi mo.
Or